Good morning. It is day 62 and we are up above Invermoriston. We did our little 400-foot hill climb up to the junction spot of the high route and the low route. So today we are walking to Drumnadrochit, which is a fantastically fun word to say. We will be, I don't know, I'm scheduled 14 and a quarter, so like 15 miles. Sunny keeps calling it a short day, which it's not, but it's shorter than the last couple she's had. So that's good. It is foggy, cloudy, drippy, rainy, but not too bad. We are taking the high route, like I said. We've got some trees to go through, but we'll get above them in a little bit and hopefully have some views. We don't have the perfect cloud layer that we had the other day, but it'll be fine. It'll be Scotland, and what else can you ask for? So we'll end up in Drumnadrochit, which is where Urquhart Castle is. We'll see what happens this afternoon and what time we get in. So we had a nice day off in Fort Augustus. Did a little boat tour. Sunny caught up on our photos. I caught up on my lounging around doing nothing. The only bad news is my back has started to flare up in its old-fashioned way, which it hasn't done for almost 1,000 miles at this point. So I'm trying to manage that. Speaking of 1,000 miles, I'll hit that number today here in about 8 miles or so, which is ridiculous. Another good day out here in Scotland, and it's time to get going and see you on the other side. Cheers. Good afternoon. It is the end of day 62 and we have arrived in Drumnadrochit and have cleaned up, because I'm already in my PJs, at our hotel, the Loch Ness Lodge, which is themed off in all sorts of, I think, classic Scottishy bits and bobs here and there. Unfortunately, the restaurant here is closed, so we'll have to go somewhere else for dinner. But anyway, today, let's see. Today we stayed in the clouds. We got misted on. You walk through the clouds. You don't get rained on. You just walk through the clouds. Minimal views. There's some peekaboo views of Loch Ness in the clouds. Kind of not worth the effort today for the Highland route or the higher route, but it's fine. The cool part of the day was a tea room that we hit at about 9 miles in, which was open tea and pottery. Pottery was fantastic, but if you're gonna go and you're packing, be ready to pack some weight out because they got some really cool stuff. We didn't buy any because we're weak and powerless. No, but good tea, good cakes. It was a good stop. And then immediately afterwards, I hit 1,000 miles today. So yay, which, you know, you've seen because you're watching the video. But yeah, 1,000 miles walked. Craziness. And now I only have like 100 and some left. Like, that doesn't sound like anything, even though it is. So yeah, we took a couple of shortcuts today. One was imposed upon us right at the right before the tea cake place. And then the other one we took just because we felt like it, shaved about a mile off. So we ended up at about just a little over 14. So about what we had planned, but not what I was expecting. So that was good. That extra mile will pay dividends tomorrow. We're tired. It's a warm day, even though it was wet. And we gotta get ready for tomorrow, which will be a really, really long day. Sonny's gonna have to do 20 miles tomorrow. Well, I'm gonna have to do it too. But yeah, tomorrow will be long and kind of uneventful and boring because it's gonna be a forest walk. So, but for now, we're here. We're glad for the day, and 1,000 miles. Holy cow. Yeah, so that's it for now, and I'll see you in the morning. Cheers.